Greetings traders and welcome back again to this mentorship program. I want to quickly show you how you can journal your trades in the foreign exchange market. You see, if you want to be a successful trader, it is a very good practice that you always take down notes, you always keep a record of all the trades that you have taken daily, weekly and monthly, so that every time you go back into the market, you are able to learn from the mistakes that you made in the past, and this is going to help you to improve on how you can trade in the future. Now, there are various ways you can journal your trades. You can write them down manually on a notebook, but nowadays we have a lot of websites out there, we have a lot of apps out there that can help you to do these things very easy. For example, we have an app like Notion. Notion is one of those powerful apps or websites out there where traders use to journal their trades. Now, what is journaling? Journaling is simply taking down notes, taking down records of every trade that you are taking, everything that you are doing in the market. Okay, so I was able to develop an Excel sheet where we can journal our trades on. I am going to share this in the mentorship group. It's going to be in such a way that you are going to put all your information here, and I'm going to be able to have a record of everything that you are doing. Okay, so how is it going to work? I developed this worksheet in such a way that it's so user friendly. So what you are going to do is, the first thing you will do is, when you come over here, you are going to write your name here. It's editable. Okay, you can simply type your name here. You see I have my name over here. But the thing is, with this worksheet, you are only going to be able to trade one currency pair. For example, you see here we have GBP USD. So any currency pair of your choice, you are going to use it, but it should only be one. Okay, and you are going to write the month. For example, if you want to start journaling in March, you are going to write March over here, March of 2024. At the time of recording, it is February, but we are soon going into March, so you can write March. In case you want to start using this worksheet next month, you can write March. Okay, so how does it look like? Let us say you want to trade on the GBP USD. I have divided it into two portions. On the left side of my screen, you have the long position, and on the right side of my screen, you have short positions. And if you look to the left of my screen, you are going to see week 1, which means you are going to journal all the trades that you are going to take for that week only. Okay, this is Monday to Friday. The first week, you are going to take all your trades and you are going to journal over here. All your buy and your sell trades will be journaled over here. Now, when you are done with this first week, you are going to go to your second week of trading. We have second week here. Okay, even though it is week 1, but we are going to write week 2 here. So it is editable, you can write it, no problem. You are going to journal all your trades for that week here, from Monday to Friday. If you took buy trades or if you took sell trades, you are going to journal them. All your buy trades will be here, all your sell trades will be here. Okay, now for the third week, you are going to do the same. Week 3 here, you are going to put all your buy trades to the left here, and you are going to put all your sell trades to the right here. Okay, you are going to do it for 1 week, and the fourth week you are going to do the same thing. All your buy trades are going to be here and all your sell trades are going to be here. Okay, so that at the end of the month, you are going to come down and you are going to write a monthly review. How many trades did you take that month? How many buy trades did you take? And how many sell trades did you take? How many wins did you make? And how many losses did you make in the market? Okay, so let me walk you through. Let us say, for example, for the first week, you want to trade on the GBP USD. Now, this is your position here, long position. You are buying. Let us say on a Monday. Okay, this is the day, Monday. The date is first. It must not be accurate. Okay, you can change this date here. These things are editable. You can change the date depending on the dates that you are going to be trading. If you are starting that week on a Monday, what you are going to do is you are going to write Monday here. I've already written Monday, so don't worry. So under entry here, you are going to write your entry price. Let us say you want to buy GBP USD. What is the entry price of GBP USD you want to buy at? You are going to write it down here. Okay, now you are going to write your stop loss down here, the value and the number of pips that you want to set as your stop loss. Is it 30 pips? Is it 20 pips? Or what price is it exactly? You are going to write here. You are going to write your TP here, the price, okay, the quote, and the number of TP you want to take. Is it 40 pips TP? Is it 20 pips? Is it 50 pips? You are going to write it here. And you are going to write the reason for which you are taking that trade here, okay? Is it a break and retest? Is it support and resistance? Is it double bottom, double top? If you are trading chart patterns, you are going to write it here. Now, when you take the trade, was it a win? You are going to write here, yes, it was a win. Was it a loss? You are going to write here, it was a loss, okay? And then at the end of that day, which is a Monday, you are going to come here and you are going to write your daily remarks. Why did you take that trade? When you took that trade, was there a news impact that affected your trade? Were you stopped out before the trade moved in your direction? Did the trade actually hit your TP? You are going to write everything here, okay, under remarks for that day. And what you are going to do before you take the trade, you are going to take a screenshot of your analysis and you are going to insert it here. Okay, now when the trade start playing out, you are going to take a second screenshot and you are going to insert it here. All right, now when the trade is over, you are going to take the last screenshot and you are going to insert it on the third box here, so that it's going to guide you. You are going to know how you started, how it played out, and how it finally played out at the end of the day. When you look at the values here and you look at the trades that you took, it's really going to help you. Now, how can you insert a picture? You simply go over here, you see the insert button, just click on this insert. It's going to show picture. So if you take here, it's going to show the options you can use. Choose any option, go to your computer, select the picture from there and you insert here, okay? That's exactly how you can do it. Now, let us assume that on Tuesday now, you took a sell trade, you did not take a buy trade. It means you are not going to fill in anything here because you did not take a sell trade on a Monday. You took it on a Tuesday. So you are going to come down here, which is a Tuesday. You see, this is Tuesday. You will not fill anything here because you have not taken a buy trade. You have taken but a sell trade on a Tuesday. So you are going to come on this Tuesday, you insert the picture of your analysis first. How the trade played out, you are going to insert it here, okay? And how the trade finally played out, you are going to insert here. So it means you are going to have 3 photos here, okay? 3 screenshots here of all your analysis and the trade results at the end. Now you are going to put your entry price here. You are going to put your stop loss here, the number of pips. You are going to put your TP here. You are going to put the reason for which you took that trade here. If you won, you are going to write yes here. If you took a loss, you are going to write yes here or no here, okay? And then at the end of the day, that Tuesday, you are going to write your remark here, your daily remarks. Why did you take that trade? Was it a break and a retest? Did the trade actually hit your TP? Did it hit your stop loss before it moved in your direction? Was there a news event on that day? How did the market actually behave? You are going to write it here. All right. Now let us assume that you did not trade on Wednesday at all. So this place is going to be blank. Don't fill in anything here. Let's assume that on a Thursday, you came and you took a sell trade. So you are going to put all your sell trade here. You did not take a buy, so you are not going to fill anything here. Okay, you are going to fill everything here on a sell. So you are going to put your entry price here. You are going to put your stop loss here and the value. You are going to put your TP here. You are going to put the reason for which you took the trade here. You are going to put if you won here and if you lost here. And you are going to write the reason for which you took that trade here, okay? Your remarks. Did it hit your TP? Was it a win? Was it a success? Everything. Was there a news impact? Everything that happens during that trade, you are going to insert it here. Did you decide not to close your trade for that day? Did you decide to hold the trade to the next day? You are going to write it here, okay? Then let's assume that on Friday, you took a buy trade, meaning you are not going to fill anything here. This is going to be void. So you will come to Friday now. You are going to write your entry price here. You are going to write your stop loss. You are going to write your TP. You are going to write the reason for which you are taking that trade. You are going to write if you won, if you took a loss, you are going to fill in here, okay? And you are going to write your daily remarks here. Why did you take the trade? Did it play out? Did you make profit? Did you make a loss? Everything you are going to write, okay? And you are going to insert the pictures here in these 3 boxes, okay? By simply going over here to insert and selecting the picture, going to your computer, you go here, you select the options and you insert the pictures here, okay? So every time you want to take a trade, always make sure you take a screenshot before, during and after the trade so that you can insert them here. Then at the end of the week now, you are going to come to your weekly review, okay? You are going to write how many buy trades did you take for that week. You are going to write it here. And here, you are going to write how many sell trades did you take for that week. Okay, the number of buy trades will be written here. At the end of the week, the number of sell trades will be written here, so that at the end of the week, you know how many trades you took exactly, how many buy trades did you take, and how many sell trades did you take for that week. You are going to record everything down here under the weekly review. Okay, now for the second week, you are going to do the same. Let's assume that for the second week, you did not take a buy trade on Monday. This is still Monday. You took rather a sell trade. So you are going to put your sell entry here, your stop loss, your take profit, the reason for which you are taking that trade. Did you win? Did you take a loss? And then your daily remark. Okay, you are going to insert the photos here. Okay, now let's say you did not take a buy again on Tuesday, and you did not take a sell on Tuesday, meaning that day you did not trade. You are not going to write anything here. This place is going to be void. Now let us assume that on a Wednesday also you did not take a buy. Instead you took a sell. So you are going to put all your values here. And at the end of the day, you are going to write your remarks. Was there a news event? Was there NFP? Was there CPI? Was there core CPI? You are going to write everything here, and you are going to insert all the photos in these boxes. Let us assume that on a Thursday, you did not take a buy, you took a sell. You are going to insert all the sell values here, and you are going to write the daily remarks here, okay? So it means nothing is going to be written here because you have not taken any buy trade. Now let us assume that on a Friday now, you don't take any sell trade. You see a buy opportunity in the market. You are going to put all the information here, okay? Your entry price, your stop loss, your take profit, the reason for which you took the trade. Was it a break and retest? Was it smart money concept for those of you who trade smart money concept? Was it fair value gap? Was it a liquidity void? Anything, you are going to write the reason here. Did you win? Yes. Did you lose? Yes. And then you are going to write your daily remark. You took a loss because the market stopped you out and then it moved in your favor. You took a loss because there was a high news impact and the market stopped you out. You took a win because any reason, anything here you are going to write, okay? It depends on you. I'm not going to tell you exactly what to write, but I will only guide you, okay? Now, at the end of that week, you are going to come here, weekly review. How many buy trades did you take? Only 2 buys or 3 buys. How many did you win in those 3 trades? Maybe 2, maybe 1. You are going to write here. This week, I took only 2 buy trades and I won 1. Okay? Here, under the sell position, you are going to write your weekly review. This week, I took 3 sells and I won 2 and I lost 1. Because of this, okay? You are going to summarize everything here. I hope it is understood. Now you are going to do the same thing for the third week. Let's say for the third week on a Monday, you took a buy trade, you saw a buy opportunity in the market, you took it. Now you are going to write the entry price here, the stop loss, the take profit, the reason why you took the trade. Was it a win? Was it a loss? And then you are going to write your daily remark here. And you are going to insert all the photos here, okay? Let's say on a Monday, you did not see a sell opportunity. You only saw a buy opportunity. You are not going to fill in anything here. So let's assume that Tuesday you did not trade, you did not buy, you did not sell. Wednesday you did not buy, you did not sell. But on Thursday you saw a sell opportunity. You are going to write the same price here, your stop loss, your take profit, the reason. Was it a win? Was it a loss? And your daily review, you are going to write it here, okay? And you are going to insert all the photos. Let us say on Friday you did not see any opportunity, so nothing is going to be written here. At the end of the week, you are going to write, this week I took only 1 buy, this week I took only 1 sell, and it was a win and it was a loss, any of those, okay? For the third week, you are going to do the same, okay? Let's say on a Monday, you see a buy opportunity, you buy, you write your entry price, your stop loss, your TP, the reason for which you took the trade. Was it a win? Was it a loss? You write your daily remark. Was there news impact? You write all the news impact for that day, okay? All the news events, NFP, CPI, core CPI, you mention them here, and you mention how it affected you in the market. Did it make you win? Did it make you lose? You write it here, okay? On that same Monday, you did not see any sell opportunity. Nothing will be written here. On a Tuesday, there was no buy opportunity. Nothing is written. There was no sell opportunity. Nothing is written. On a Wednesday, you saw a sell opportunity. You are going to fill in the same values here and you are going to insert the photos here, okay? On a Thursday, you did not see any buy opportunity. You did not see any sell opportunity. No trade. On a Friday, no buy opportunity, no sell opportunity, no trade. It's okay. So you are going to come here under the weekly review. Say this week, I saw only 1 sell opportunity and it was a win. This week, I saw only 1 buy opportunity and it was a win. Okay, so at the end of that month now, which is March, you are going to come down here and you say, okay, this month I traded GBP USD, I took 10 buys, which means you are going to go from the first week, you calculate all the number of buy trades that you took. Okay, on that, the second week, all the number of buy trades, the third week, all the number of buy trades, and the fourth week, all the number of buy trades. How many buy trades did you take for that month? How many of them did you actually win? Okay, you are going to go to this side also, all the sell trades for that month. The first week, how many sell trades did you take? How many of them did you win? The second week, how many sell trades did you take? How many of them did you win? The third week, how many sell trades did you take? And the fourth week, how many sell trades did you take? And how many of them did you actually win? You are going to come here and you mention, this month, March, I took 10 buy trades on GBP USD and I won 4. I lost 6. This month, I took 6 sell trades on GBP USD. I won 5 and I lost 1. It was actually a good month. Now, you are going to mention, maybe there were some things that you did that were not correct. You are going to write them over here. Remember, you can expand this, okay? You can expand it so you can write a lot of things inside here. So that at the end of the month, you are able to know the things that you have been doing in the market. You are able to track your records, okay? Now, you are going to ask me, so what happens after that month? After that month, you can simply just copy all of this worksheet here. You can copy all of this worksheet. You come down here, you see this plus button, you click on this plus button. It's going to open you a new worksheet here. So you can simply just paste everything here, okay? If you paste everything here, it's going to give you a new worksheet. So you can name that worksheet. This one was March, okay? You can name the new worksheet April. So you are going to repeat the same things that you have been doing here, so that at the end of the year, you are able to know how many trades did I take in January, how many trades did I take in March, how many trades did I take in April, and how many trades did I take for that year. You see, it's going to help you as a developing student, or even as an intermediate student or an advanced trader. It's going to help you. So that if anybody comes to you tomorrow and says, you have been trading in the market, show me your result, you can simply come to this worksheet and you show them everything that you have been doing. I think this is okay, right? Now, you are going to take this sheet. There's a way you can modify it. If there's anything you feel that you can add here or subtract here, you can go ahead and add it, okay? I hope this is clear. So I am going to share the worksheet for those of you who will need it, so that everything that you are doing, I'll be able to monitor it and I'll be able to guide you also, okay? Remember, you can always add a column. If you want to insert more pictures here, you can simply come over here, you click here, okay? You click on this column and you click on insert column. If you insert a column, a new column is going to be added. If you come over here, you click on insert column, you see a new column has been inserted here, which means that if you want to add more photos in future, let's say you want to add more photos, you can simply insert a new column and you expand it. You see, you can insert more photos here if you want to. It's the same thing. Maybe you have more than 3 photos, you can insert more here. You see, you can insert more photos. In case you don't have only 3, you can always add these columns here and then you insert more photos inside here. So a lot of you can go ahead and you do 1 or 2 changes here, but the thing remains the same, okay? Make sure you insert all your screenshots. Make sure you insert all your values here, your entry, your stop loss, your TP, the reason why you are taking the trade, the day you took that trade, the dates you took that trade, okay? If possible, even write the time. Write the time, okay? Because it's really going to help you. Trust me, this will help you. So thank you so much for listening. The link to the worksheet is going to be available. In case you need it privately, you can let me know so that I can share one with you as well. But for the mentorship group, it's going to be available and it's going to be on protected. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any doubts and any questions, always feel free to reach out to me and I will assist you. Thank you so very much and be safe out there. Goodbye.